Hello everyone! If you've been following my channel, then you know for a while now I've been trying to recreate the opening sequence to the Curry Kitten FPV simulator, where he's got the drone that flies through a bunch of white cubes. And I happen to have a bunch of white cube-shaped styrofoam coolers. And the last couple times when I've tried to do this, it's been just a little bit too breezy and my tower of coolers has tipped over. So I'm out here on a beautiful sunny Sunday morning. There's basically no wind, so I'm going to see if I can get those things set up and try to fly through them with my drone. So part of the problem is that all the coolers are not exactly the same shape and size, so it's hard to stack them up exactly right. But so far so good. I've got most of them out here, and I'm gonna go quick get my drones ready and go fly through this and see how it goes. Oh, and for my first flight, I'm not gonna put the GoPro inside the drone because I'm a little bit concerned. I don't know what's gonna happen when the drone hits this, and I don't wanna smash the GoPro on the driveway and break it. And I'm gonna start off by flying the Cinewhoop through it because that's what most people on my previous video suggested. All right, here we go. Time to see what happens. I didn't even have to disarm. It seemed like the drone just automatically disarmed, and it didn't make it very far. It just dropped right there, right behind the boxes. I think I'm gonna have to try this again and give it more speed. There's a few more to knock down. All right, that worked better. I was able to fly right through them that time. All right, overall, I'd say that worked out pretty well. I'm gonna try to get this all set back up again and fly the 5-inch through it instead of the Cinewhoop. Okay, it's all set back up again. Let's get the regular old 5-inch out and see if that's gonna do anything different. All right, once again, that seemed to go pretty well. Although, on the 5-inch, it definitely bent a propeller. Here, let me show you guys. This front left propeller is totally bent up funny, and it was still flying okay. Ah, crazy. And I can see little bits of styrofoam up here, so with one of the coolers, whichever one I hit directly, definitely lost a little styrofoam. That one definitely looks like some propeller marks right there. Okay, now I definitely think I have to try this again with the Cinewhoop, and I'm going to put my GoPro Hero 8 in the Cinewhoop so we get a better shot of what it looks like flying into these styrofoam coolers. All right, again, that worked great. I was able to knock all of these things down the hill. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for me today. I was able to recreate as best that I could the Curry Kitten opening sequence of flying through the white cubes. And as you can see, I was able to knock them all over down the hill. And I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thanks. Anybody want to help me clean up? Hey, I forgot you up there here in the tree. Glad I remembered at the end.